This is a set of 3 compression packing cubes from SuitedNomad available on Amazon. They come packaged in this zipper bag, and inside you get 2 large cubes, 1 medium cube, and 1 luggage strap. Now these cubes allow you to pack more efficiently and are great for travel, hiking, camping, or backpacking. SuitedNomad has designed these cubes with 100% ripstop, so you don't get stuck with ripped bags in the middle of your trip. They have a double zipper compression system that removes air and makes the bag ultra compact. They're also water resistant to protect your belongings and 100% eco-friendly. The brightly colored luggage strap completes the set and keeps your luggage secure and visible. You can also rest assured knowing that if you aren't 110% happy with your purchase, SuitedNomad will give you a full refund. To learn more and order, search SuitedNomad on Amazon.